We have this philosophy at Every that like the future of work is agent native. And what we say that we mean is like agents are treated as equal like partners and citizens inside any piece of software. And it's been incredibly powerful and exciting to work inside of Notion where like the agentic capabilities just keep getting better and better. So I'm Austin Tedesco. I'm the head of growth at Every. Every is the only subscription you need to stay at the edge of AI. We're always playing around with the latest AI tools and models to power our business and see what they're capable of. My databases in Notion are not built for humans to read because my brain doesn't work that way. Just give me the information, or if I need to use what's in the Notion database to draft social copy or push a landing page, like go query it, make sure it's up to date. So this is probably the simplest example of a custom agent that I've built that has workers connected. So here's the agent. I never look at this thing anymore. It's just set up and runs. It's set up to run daily at 7 a.m. Pacific and post that report. It has these instructions for how it should work and what it should do, the template for what the post should look like, but it also has these calls to it to like update a Notion database or to run what is a worker for like get scorecard. This is, I think, literally the first time I'm ever reading this because Claude Code just built it. I have the Notion workers system installed inside of Claude Code. I described the thing I wanted to do, which was create this daily scorecard. It went and was like, great. It asked me some questions. It was like, great, I got you. It went and looked at the launch plan for the +1 campaign where we have the goals and KPIs attached. This is a thing that I this thing also was built between me going back and forth with Claude Code and then pushing it to Notion. So it has this, and then it creates this campaign database, but it creates this database where it's pulling all of that data I cared about from all of those sources, and it updates every day. It says if we're ahead, behind, or on pace for the numbers. It has a bunch of other things I care about. And this is entirely populated through me saying like, not saying that this database is what I want. I don't really care about the database. I just want to be able to get the answers and numbers really quickly and get a report. And so the final result here is it posts this like daily scorecard update in Slack with a Notion page that actually has like a summary of how we're doing for this campaign. And so now this updates every morning. The worker actually runs every 6 hours. So if you just want to tag the agent in Slack and be like, can you give me the latest numbers for today? It can run the worker again, or it can check the last 6 hour run and give you the up-to-date numbers. The thing that I am getting more convinced of, that I've seen a lot of people like Claire Vaux has been great about sharing this, is like, the best thing you can do is have a fleet of specialized agents rather than like one supercharged, super connected agent. And that's kind of what I'm trying to build here, right? Is like, we are currently on this incredible growth trajectory at the company, especially when it comes to like subscription revenue, MRR. We're way ahead of our plan for the year. And I feel confident on the growth team in particular at Every that we've been able to hit all of our growth goals and metrics, because day to day, 90% of what we're focused on is like the creative stuff, the high leverage stuff, the big bets, the big thinking that only we can do, because we have this like trusted source of truth inside of Notion, powered by the best frontier models out there, using Claude Code and using Codex to run our computer errands, to be a thought partner, to automate the work that we don't want to do, to do all of that with us so that we can push the business forward.